My God, whatever this is, pulling. We back fishing after a month of not fishing. My dad's gonna go chum that place. I'm gonna use a 6-foot cast net that I haven't used like in 5 years. I'm gonna use 5-footers. Now I'm gonna use a 6-footer and I'm gonna see if I can throw it correctly. Y'all play too. I also felt, honestly, I kind of felt kind of burnt out. That's why I haven't posted like a month or so. But yeah, I'm back. The fall is riding around the corner, so yeah, better stay tuned for these new videos coming up. Oh, that's some bass. That's a no. You see? ¿Es una tortuga, no? A ver. Mira, entre tortuga. Damn. No. My God, whatever this is, pulling. Oh yeah, that's a catfish. Sí, parece que sí. Parece que es un gato. Yeah, hooked it wrong or what? Es un gato. Oh my God. Algo me llevó esa caña. ¿Sí? ¿Sí la vio? No. No, ya no hay nada. He's talking. I'm skinny.
20. Ah, 20.
20?
Ajá.
20. First fish of the day. First fish. Yeah, I'm gonna need to toss him. What? Wait, he's lost. Oh, never mind. Go to first fish of the day. A little channel catfish. I don't know if this is a turtle or a natural fish. Damn, it's not tortuga grande. It's a soft shell. Soft shell. Oh my God. Oh, I caught something. I hooked something. So it's currently been like 3 hours since I started fishing here, and we only caught one fish. And it was a channel catfish. But this video is gonna get to an end. Cause I already called my mom to pick us up. I'm trying to catch a carp, but nothing's biting, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like down below, subscribe. I'm almost at 200 subs. I really appreciate it if someone subscribe. I got a bite, so I don't know the reason end. But if I don't catch anything right now, I hope you have a wonderful, safe day. See ya in the next adventure.